Alright, so back in the 210, haven't really recorded in a while. Been chucking a few videos up, but just been doing pretty much the same stuff or a bit of mucking around, so haven't really been doing too much recording. But yeah, just been loading out fuel for the last few days. It was actually Monday today, so I loaded out on Friday, and then it's 12 o'clock today, loading out all of today as well. Just sort of moving on to the next pile. This is a bit of loam clay that's been pushed onto the side of this main pile. So I'm just going to strip the weeds off from the bottom side, and then Mitch is still going to track this, so I'll carry on loading him when he comes back. Yeah, it's been super dry, super dusty. We haven't had rain in a couple of weeks, so yeah, it's good for earth moving, but it's a little bit dusty for the tractors. It's alright. I'll just strip this steep bit and I'll leave the top when I'm back up there. Should be a bit here to load out. Be good.
Where do you want me to tip there, Mark?
The mirror's image, it tells me it's home time, but I'm not finished, 'cause you're not by my side. And as I arrived, I thought I saw you leaving, carrying your shoes. Decided that once again I was just dreaming of bumping into you. Now it's 3 in the morning, and I'm trying to change your mind. Left you multiple missed calls into my message, you replied. Why'd you only call me when you're high? High. Why'd you only call me when you're high? Somewhere darker, talking the same shite. I need a partner. Well, are you out tonight? It's harder and harder to get you to listen. More I get through the gears, incapable of making alright decisions, and having bad ideas. Now it's 3 in the morning, and I'm trying to change your mind. Left you multiple missed calls until my message you replied. Why'd you only call me when you're high? High. Why'd you only call me when you're high?
On this hillside now, loading out this loam. It's 4:20. Another half an hour or so, then we'll look at shutting down. But yeah, got a whole lot more material out of here than I thought we'd get out, which is good. It's just roughly at the end of it. Got a couple of the random little piles behind me. They'll take a little bit of mucking around to get sorted, but it's a little bit tight for the boys to come right in for me to side load them, so I'm end loading them now. So Mitch will come in, spin around behind me, and then come up and I'll load them off this end. Yeah.